Woo! Welcome back everybody, and thanks for tuning in again. This is your M3E. Welcome back. If you're new to our channel, welcome. This is the M3E. Do yourself a favor, please click that subscribe button. And before you move on, or before you continue with this video, let's go ahead and start this video with some likes. And also, please, show some love. Anyway, for those of you who have been following us, please, I thank you very much thank you for being a good family member of our team. Before we get into the video, I want to ask you guys something, because it's hurtful. It's hurtful for me and my boys to see that. I mean, we know you guys are watching our videos, but at the same time, is it really difficult, or is it really that hard or difficult for you guys to at least smash that like button, or at least comment down? I know, I mean, we're not forcing you folks to do that, but it's just, I don't know what to say, or I don't know how to explain it. But if you were to be in our shoes, at least you would appreciate if you get some likes, or or at least some comments, good comments. It really means a lot to our team, so please. But yeah, I mean, if you're Islander, if you're from the islands, we are from the islands, so I don't know what you're waiting for. But yeah, it's supposed to be an automatic thing. Like, if you're from the island, it's already gonna be like, oh yeah, those are my boys, or those are my team, because they're from the island. So I don't know, you should already be like a subscriber, right? So I don't know what you're doing, or if you're from the islands, what are you waiting for? Come on, just go ahead and support our team. Spread the word, spread the love, tell your friends and family. You know, this is our M3E. Tell them to subscribe. You know, we welcome everybody to be part of our family, be part of our team. So yeah, tell them all. I don't care. Tell them that we love them too. Well, this one, if you're a family member, I really don't understand, but come on. If you're a family member and if you haven't subscribed, it's either you're with us or not. Because if not, no fish, no con, no marrer. You already know what that means. If I'm not gonna bring fish, or well, I'm not gonna invite you to our house. I'm just kidding. Anyway, at least just show your support to our team. And if you're new to our channel, like I said, we welcome you, and we hope that you would enjoy our videos, and we hope to see you guys more in more videos as we plan for the next couple of weeks. Anyway, so today, you already know what time it is. It is prank time. So I do have to apologize right now, because the boys are not included in this video right now, because they are actually downstairs, and I'm actually locked in this room. And the only reason why is because obviously I'm going to be pulling another prank on mommy. She's actually out shopping right now, but yeah, as soon as she comes home, she probably doesn't know, but she's going to be coming home to a big surprise again, and hopefully we have a good turnout on this one. So I want you guys to I want you guys to do me a favor, and please say a short prayer, and we hope that we'll have a good turnout on this one, okay? So I'm gonna take you guys down to how this is happening, or how I'm setting up this this project, or this prank. Anyway, like I said, I hope that you guys would enjoy this video. And if you have any comments, or if you have any suggestion or ideas on what you guys want us to do in the next video, please go ahead. Don't be shy. Don't forget to leave us a comment down in the comment section. And like I said, like, and don't forget to also share. I usually post this on YouTube, of course, and on Facebook. And for those of you, if you are friends to my wife, or with my wife on Facebook, please share it on your page as well, so your friends and your friends can also find out our channel. All right, so see you guys. guys. So right now, I've got some push pins. Push pins. I'm gonna use to try. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to. So, well, basically, you already see that I'm putting up the balloons on the right behind the door. So what's gonna happen is when she comes in, as soon as she opens the door, this push pins, these are the ones I'm gonna actually use to pop the balloons. So hopefully when she comes back from the store, I'm gonna try to call her, and then boom. I'm not gonna ruin the prank, but you get the picture, right? Okay. The way it's gonna work is I'm gonna call her when she comes in. As soon as she opens the door, boom. Man, I wanna know how loud this thing is gonna go. Okay, she's coming, she's coming. Let's get it.
Beauty. Cara mo kan? Era ko pulang minamit tera. Mitiki kan net vicieto kan vicieto.
Yeah.
Siapa nak sukses?
If you just care for my
Jadi beauty ya.
Finally, I got it now. Thank you very much.